Hi guys, right now I'm in Ubon Ratchathani, but I'm not at the installation because I'm doing a survey. So we do a lot of service when we are traveling around, and this is a good example because a lot of the service they end up in a recommendation to do something else first, or sometimes we have to recommend actually to not install. And the recommendation here is gonna be that they change the roof first, and I'll show you why. So we can actually see the roof from here. So here you see. Now we can't install on this kind of roof because first of all, when we walk on it, even walking on this kind of roof could make it break up even more. And over time it's just gonna get worse and worse, and it will just not hold the weight of the solar panels. So this all has to be changed, which is not a bad thing, assuming that the customer has money to change it, because this kind of roof that obviously doesn't insulate at all. But with a new metal sheet roof, he can get nice insulation and have very strong for solar. So in this case, that has to be the recommendation, that he has to change the roof first, which is going to be a significant investment for a big roof like this, but maybe 150,000, something like that. But it's well worth it because it's going to improve everything inside here a lot. So just an example of one of the service that we do.